Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents how to remove tons of blackheads and whiteheads instantly. Blackheads form when a clog or plug develops in the opening of hair follicles in your skin. It is frustrating to see everyone around you seems to have flawless skin, and you have an abundance of ugly blackheads in your skin. For getting rid of this issue, I'm sharing an instant home remedy to remove tons of blackheads and whiteheads easily. Today I'm sharing 2 fast and effective ways to remove blackheads and whiteheads easily at home. First method. A famous Chinese blogger has shared this method. The blackheads being pulled out from her nose after trying this method. Egg white helps to tighten pores and pull out any clogged dirt and provides you clear and smooth skin. Things we need: egg white, cotton swab, a bowl. Firstly, wash your face with fresh water. Then take an egg and separate the egg white from it. After that, take a cotton swab and dip it in egg white. Allow it to soak up the egg white. Apply the cotton swab to the affected areas and wait for it to dry up. Wait for at least 20 minutes until the cotton pad dries completely. After that, peel it off from your nose rapidly. Rinse your skin with cold icy water to shrink the pores. Second method. Baking soda exfoliates your skin, leaving it soft and smooth while unclogging pores containing dead skin cells. So here we go. We'll need baking soda, a mixing bowl, a spoon, and water. First of all, mix a teaspoon of baking soda and a small amount of water to make a fine paste. Then wash your face with fresh water. Now apply the paste to your face while focusing on the affected areas. Let it set for 2 to 3 minutes. Now massage your face gently in circular motion for 2 minutes. It will help to loosen up the dead skin cells, blackheads, whiteheads, and impurities. By using warm water, rinse off the paste. Then wash your skin with cold icy water to shrink the pores. After that, use apple cider vinegar to maintain the natural pH tone of your skin. Try out these recipes for yourself, and I would love to hear from you about how was your experience and what had worked for you. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that others can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.